Hey guys, you cannot transfer directly from Chime to Cash App, but here's all 3 reliable ways to move your funds from your Chime account into Cash App in 2025. So first, link your Chime account in Cash App. In the Cash App, tap Add Bank under the Banking tab and select Chime and log in to link your Chime account securely. Now, when you send money or add cash via Cash App, funds will come directly from your Chime balance. Now, second way, add Chime debit card to your Cash App. So, in your Cash App, go to Banking, click Add Debit Card, then input your Chime debit card details and complete any verification steps. Then, tap Add Cash and choose your Chime card. Enter the amount and confirm, and your Cash App balance will update accordingly. Now, third way, use Chime's Pay Anyone feature. So in the Chime app, select Pay Anyone, then enter your Cash App's user, email or phone number, then choose the amount and tap Pay. The recipient gets a link to claim the funds during cash out. Instant transfers are supported for non-Chime accounts and no fee are included. Now, Reddit users confirm that this is a smooth process. You can link your Cash App card to your Chime, then send the money from Cash App and it comes off your Chime instantly. So, final summary, link your Chime account or debit card in the Cash App to fund it directly or use Chime's Pay Anyone to send money to a Cash App user via phone or email and it's instant and free. That's how you do it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.